This word is pronounced unfortunate. Unfortunate. We have 4 syllables, unfortunate, and the stress is on the second syllable. So we get unfortunate, unfortunate. It's unfortunate. The first syllable is un, so the short U sound followed by the N sound. You'll find this in lots of words because un is a prefix meaning not. If you're not kind, you're unkind. If you're not well, you're unwell. Something that isn't fortunate is unfortunate. The second syllable is the word for, as in here, this tea is for you. Or I have 4 fingers and a thumb. 4. Then we have ch. It's not really cha, it's ch. So the ch sound, ch, followed by the schwa sound coming across more like the sound in words like foot or put. And then finally we have knit. So we have the n sound, followed by another schwa sound, And then finally we have a flap T, also known as a glottal stop. So we don't say unfortunate, we don't pronounce the hard T sound, we use a glottal stop, which means we're on our way to that T, but then we close our throat. My throat literally closes off the sound at the end there. N. I can feel it closing if I hold it like this. Unfortunate. Speaking of unfortunate, my wife was opening the bathroom door today and the door handle came right off. It was very unfortunate. I'm gonna have to go fix that in a little bit here, but tell me something unfortunate that you experienced recently. Let me know what happened in the comments below. And if you wanna learn more right now, go ahead and click on this video.